So the time now is 1:25 in the morning. We're at San Antonio Airport, International Airport. We are on our way to Vegas for a couple days, and we got here early. Our flight leaves at around 5:20. We can, I guess, get on the plane around 4:45 or 4:30 or something like that. But we decided to come here early, so we're excited. I haven't been to Vegas in a while, but yeah. So join us on our adventure. So we are on level 2, and we have to walk this way to the terminals. Follow me. Caution, there's cross traffic. I locked my car from here. That's funny. Hey, do you need a mask? Okay. So we made it to Vegas. It was a pretty smooth flight. Yeah, it was pretty smooth flight. I tried to sleep as much as I could, but man, I'm tired. So behind us, you can see that there's slot machines in the airport, which is awesome. And they're also around C2 gate. They have a smoking section with slot machines in it, which is pretty cool. I don't smoke myself, but that's pretty awesome. But yeah, we got a little treat for you coming up when we leave the airport. It's gonna be pretty awesome. So it's something we always do when we come to Vegas. So yeah, prepare for that. They have a liquor store in the airport in Vegas. You can get wine, spirits, cigars, and accessories. Look at all those Tito's. Oh my god. Oh, I love Tito's. That's probably what I'm gonna be drinking this week or this weekend. Man, that liquor store is huge. Alright. We're gonna go to the treat next. You'll see it. Alright, we made it to the surprise. We are in a limo. We're doing it big. That's how we do it. Every time we go to Vegas. Yes. A limo. Pretty awesome. Got like some bottles of water here. Pick the radio. Yeah, doing it big. Got a sunroof. You got the sunroof. Ooh. It's all lit up. Yeah.
Our driver Joseph is awesome.
Yeah. It's by Bell.
Yep.
Bell limo service.
Ooh,
yep. Picked us up at the baggage claim station and yeah, just walked us to the limousine, and we're off to Park MGM. Fantastic. Yeah, this is what we arrived in. Thing is awesome. That thing has some kick to it too. Thing is wild. Yep, Bell. That's just Bell limo service, I guess. awesome. We finally
Thank you for the awesome ride.
made it.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Park MGM. Park MGM. This is it. We're kind of early though. Huh? I'm gonna walk around. Get the valet pickup. We'll do a tour of the lobby in a couple minutes. But got the New York. I don't know if you can see it all the way over there. Toshiba Plaza. I've been on that roller coaster, I think. If I remember correctly. I think that was the roller coaster from New York. I might be wrong though, but I'm pretty sure I've been on that ride. This place is awesome. I've never stayed at Park MGM, so I'm excited to see what's inside. I've seen other YouTube videos and it looks promising. The rooms look very promising. So yeah, we made it into the lobby of Park MGM. This is the inside. Really nice interior. Get the bell desk over there. Prime Rose, I guess it's a bar and restaurant. You can also do key printing, so you can just print your key by yourself to the hotel room. That's awesome. Prime Rose, this is the menu over here. I'm not gonna read it all. I'll put it. I'll put a link into the description. A website. You can scan it from your phone. Look at the menu from your phone. You got casino, will be live, pool, conference center, T-Mobile Arena, Aria, trim to Bellagio. This place is cool. Yeah, so we got this courtesy of My Vegas. You can rack up a bunch of points, and you can use them for different things. Hotel stays.
7 in the morning and our room is ready.
Oh, it's ready? We can go?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the hotel stays from My Vegas. You can rack up points, and you know, you can get from free buffets to free hotel room stays to a cruise if you'd like. It all depends. But yeah, we're gonna check out the room, do a room tour, and we're gonna go from there. So to use this, you can tap the screen to get started, and then you bring up your QR code from your, I guess, itinerary.
From their mobile. Yeah, they have an app.
From the mobile app, and you'll pick, great, got it. You can pick how many keys, only 4 per room. And then you just take the key out. Easy. And then you'll put the other key in. You'll put it in, I think this way. Activating. That's it.
I cannot believe it is 7 o'clock in the morning Vegas time and our room is ready at the Park MGM.
Yeah, I know, right? Excited? Look at how long this hallway is. That's just one hallway. This gives me like the Shining vibes. Play with us. 305. We're probably all the way at the end. $312. You said $329?
Yeah.
Shut up, bag. Alright, so we made it into our room. Sorry, I'm gonna have to be a little quiet because there's people probably still asleep. But this is our room. I'll show you the bathroom first. Very nice bathroom. Very nice bathroom. Don't know where the light switch is, but that's on it. Let's see. There we go. Very nice bathroom. Got this right here. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Glass stand-up shower. Nice. Very nice. Then you can close this right here. And it's a closet for all your luggage and stuff. You can hang your clothes up if you want. You have drawer space, plenty of drawer space. You have a safe, so that's pretty neat. Yeah, 2 queen size beds. Yeah, so 2 queen size beds. You get a mirror. Pretty decent sized TV, Samsung. You got a bunch of cords. You can do Bluetooth audio to HDMI. So if you're staying for a long weekend, you want to bring your video game consoles, you can always do that. Keep in mind, if you come over here and you take anything off of this shelf thing, this mini bar, I guess is what it's called, you will be charged. It says any food or beverage item removed for more than 60 seconds will automatically be billed to your room. Please refer to your in-room directory for pricing. I don't know exactly how much the pricing is, but I mean, I've seen it be like $70, so I'm not sure how much it would cost. But this is your in-room dining. You can scan that barcode, that QR code, and order food. I like this light. I don't know why, but yeah. And we have a view of the strip. Oh, this couch too. Really nice couch. And more plugs and outlets. But yeah, look at this view. What a nice view. You can see Olive Garden in the distance. We're hungry, we haven't eaten anything. But yeah, really nice, really nice. What's this over here? That's a phone. A phone. What else we have here? I think that's pretty much it. This is it. You know, yeah, this is it. You know what I don't notice though? There isn't a whole lot of plugs by the bed table, by the night table. Oh, it's hidden. It's hidden. It's right here. I lied. You got plenty of outlets and plugs that you can utilize for your phones, cameras, whatever you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's gonna be it for a little bit. So we'll continue to tour in a few minutes. We'll probably take a nap because it's been a long morning. So yeah, until then. So we came down here to get some food at Eataly, and just in the middle here they got a ton of places you can eat. The options are pretty much limitless. We got some breakfast sandwiches, so we're gonna try that out. I got Italian cola. Look at the glass. Look at this glass. It's really nice.
What is it? Italian cola?
Yep.
We should be label?
Mole cola. It's really good. It's really good. What's this? Cider?
So I got the cider.
The hard cider?
That's 8 in the morning. I got the hard cider. Vegas.
Okay.
I'm gonna let Andrew try it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
But we just want to show, look, behind Andrew here, I don't know if you can see it, you can see the MGM, oops, sorry, the MGM Grand, like, and then we're right next to New York, New York. Lady Gaga's in concert tonight, so it's gonna probably be busy at this hotel. And it took us literally getting off the plane, from getting off the plane and getting to our room, 45 minutes. Our limo driver was awesome. Joseph, like, poor guy had to wait on us a little bit because we got a little lost, but he gunned it. Like, we were like, yeah. So we've already been to our room. You'll see the room tour, and then we're gonna get some breakfast. Andrew and I have been up for 28 hours. We haven't been to bed yet, but we will. We'll take a nap, and then we're gonna have some fun things to do in Vegas tonight. Here's Andrew playing on his phone.
So we're getting the steak and eggs. It sounds really good right now. So this is kind of the selection that they have right now. It's pretty awesome. Like, you got lots of stuff here. So this is our steak and eggs. They look delicious.
They already pre-cut it for you.
They already pre-cut it. We're so spoiled. That's okay. Alright, I'm gonna try this egg first. Oh, that egg's good. Fluffy. That steak. That's good. You don't need...
I got the same thing.
You don't need any sauce. It's juicy. It's delicious. It's just really good. It's okay. So now I'm gonna try it with the egg and the steak, because you gotta get it all. Yes, piece of egg. This egg right here. That was good.
It's all in your beard.
I don't care. That was delicious.
It was delicious.
It's delicious. It's really good.